Angelina, it's time to eat na. It's time for your merienda. Where is that little girl? Where are you, Angelina? Where are you? Muntik na matapon to pagkain mo. Magmerienda ka muna.
Yeah, I don't want to eat. Let's play.
Ay, no. I cannot play. Dami ko pang gagawin. Kumain ka na muna. Oh, ayan.
Yeah, you're such a loser.
Ano ka ba?
I don't want to play alone. I get bored. Let's play.
Sige, ikaw na lang mag-isa para may pang-aapon.
No, I don't want to play. Come on, let's play Cinderella. You're Cinderella, and I'm your stepsister.
Ayoko nga wow. I am Cinderella? Ako mag-Cinderella talaga? Hindi ka nabibiro, ha? Ay, sige, gusto ko yan. Matagal ko na gusto maging Cinderella. Sino ka? Stepsister?
Yeah, you're
Okay.
Cinderella, and I'm stepsister.
Okay.
We'll start now,
We'll
okay?
start na. Okay, sige. Sandali! Angelina! Sige na mo nga yan! Bakit mo ako sila sa bunutan?
You're such a loser.
Ano ka sila sa bunutan?
Ay, diba? Cinderella's always appear by the stepsister.
Ay, oo nga, ano?
Diba?
Sandali! Ayoko na! Ayoko na! Ayoko na naman ako! Kala ko Cinderella-Cinderellahan. Ganda-ganda. Ayoko na sa'yo. Ayoko na maglaro. Ayoko na lang maglaro.
Hey, Yaya talaga, you're such a loser.
Bakit yun? Sinasaktan mo ako eh.
Okay, no, we'll play na lang something else. I'll play na lang Cinderella.
Ikaw ang Cinderella? Wait, okay, sige. Ako ang stepsister.
No.
What will I be?
You're the horse! Come on, go! Horsey!
Tama na nga. Tigas mo. Sinasaktan mo na lang ako palagi. Ano ka bang bata ka?
You're a loser.
Ano? Ayoko na maglaro.
We'll play na lang bahay-bahayan. I'm the mommy and you're the baby.
You're the mommy hunting the baby again. No,
No, I
not.
promise I won't hurt you. I'll take care of you. You're my baby.
Baby, ha?
You're the baby.
Take care of baby, okay?
I will.
Don't hurt the baby. Huh? That's bad.
I will feed
Give,
you.
wow. Thank you, mommy. Thank you very much. Very nice. Huh?
Baby, good baby.
Mm.
Good baby.
Okay.
Good baby.
Nakala ka?
Good baby. What?
Nabilao ka na ako sa'yo, ha? Nakala mo na ako. Tama ba yan na ganyan pinapakain mo ng baby sunod-sunod? Nabilao ka na ako, ha?
Okay, no, you're tired na, you're tired. No. You go to sleep na. The baby will go to sleep.
Islip, hindi pa ako inaantok.
No, come on, because of your eyes are closing na. The baby will sleep na.
Sige, sabagay, napapagod na nga ako. Kanina pa pwede ako magpahinga. O sige, I sleep na, ha? Pero sleep lang ako, ha?
Yes, you sleep.
Hindi mo istorbohin ang baby, ha?
Yes.
Siyempre, sleeping ang baby. Kawawa
Baby
naman,
will
ha?
The baby will sleep na. And do not open your eyes.
Okay.
Mommy will get
I sleep 5 minutes, ha? 5 minutes, okay. Ay, okay, ha? Sleeping lang ako dito.
Baby will sleep.
Yes, yes, mommy. Sleeping lang your baby. Okay. Don't bother, baby. Yeah,
Bian. Bian.
baby.
Bian.
Mommy.
Bian.
Sleeping na baby. Don't bother, baby. Ha, mommy, ha? Sandali, ano yung ginagawa mo?
Ha?
Ano yung ginagawa
We're
mo?
playing a game. We're playing a game.
Bakit ako yung tinatali mo? Bakit mga dyaryo dito? Ano yan, ha?
We're playing Monster. Ayoko na lang bahay-bahay.
Monster, monster. Kasi ng monster.
You're the monster. And we will kill and burn the monster.
Okay, andun na. Wala mo ko tayo. Patayin mo yan. Patayin mo yan. Huwag mo kaya ako.